Okay. Alright, let's hope this angle is good. It's just gonna be a quick video here. Got some good news. I haven't posted anything in a while. There we go. So, let me switch. So this is my Project 8 bumper for my Jaguar XF that you can see right there. Pretty much bought this car, got a really good deal on it, and I wanted to essentially track it. We'll get to that eventually, but for now, I figured the front end is kind of boring on these. Oh, they're not boring, but Project 8 is so much cooler, but it's only for the XE. Well, there's a cool company out in the UK. His name's Carl, and I will show you their page right now. I'm just gonna pull my phone up. So this is Carl's page. If it'll focus. I'll probably put the link in the description, but Carl runs a company called Vehicle Revolution, and hopefully you can see all of this. Vehicle Revolution. They make parts for Audi, Jaguar, BMW, Lamborghini, McLaren, like the real deal. Yeah, so they make a kit because the XE and the XF are so similar. A lot of the parts on the X260 XF are the same as the X250 or as the XE. So I found this kit, got in touch with him, and he hooked me up. They were pretty easy to work with. They gave me updates pretty frequently. Yeah, it was a pretty cool experience. Shout out to Carl and Vehicle Revolution. So I'm pretty gassed about that. So I'm gonna have this paint matched. I'm gonna see what I can use from the original bumper in order to not have to buy a bunch of extra replacement parts. I think I just need the grill and the fog light covers. Or not fog light covers, sorry, the headlight washers covers. And I should be good there. And then there's one more piece. Let's see if I can. Okay, let's put this back. Let's see if I can do this as. I don't know what's the easiest way to do this. Okay. Be careful. I think it's angled well enough. So this is the Project 8 hood for the XF as well. Again, same with the bumper. The Project 8 is only for the XE, and I figured, well, this one's got a messed up hood and bumper. Might as well do the whole front end. So this is what we're working with. It's actually pretty cool. Like I said, I love the way the front end of these look. And OEM replacements, I would have ended up paying another extra like $2,000 or so. So realistically, yeah, it sucked. I had to wait a little bit longer, but I got a cooler and cheaper option, you know. So it's Thanksgiving today as I'm filming this. I just have to get the driver headlight and I'm good to go. I'll have my buddy paint this for me, and I'll probably just have him slap everything on because I don't feel like doing all of that. And yeah, that'll be good to go. Just for shits and giggles, there's Focus ST wheels. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Next video will either be this painted and put on the vehicle. And I'll probably end up doing some sort of aero setup for like a splitter. I don't quite know what I want to do yet. I know I want to do a splitter and have like big side skirts, and we're gonna go big wing and everything. That's down the long road. And then once we get that taken care of, we'll get back to the SS, which you can't really see, but we're gonna fix the SS up. I've got a collection of parts just sitting back there. I just haven't really had the time or energy. But yeah, so stay tuned. You guys have a good Thanksgiving.